Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Today we're going to do some aerial photos of this house that's for sale.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Now we have some power lines in the area, so we want to be careful.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
First thing we're going to do is start right around 20 feet in height, and we're going to try to do all three shots of the front of the house. And again, we got some power lines, so we want to be careful. We'll get the center of the house. I always want to be careful around power lines and trees. Now we're going to go higher and a little further back. In this case, we're going to go above the power lines. So we're right at 100 feet. And we're doing this to show the house in relation to the rest of the neighborhood. So I'll start again on the right side of the house. I'm sorry, the left side of the house. We'll do the center. Now we'll do the right side. From here, we're going to do a top down. And you want to go high enough to get the whole lot, but you don't want to exceed 400 feet. And you don't want to go too high where everything is really small. So for this one, we're right at 170 feet. Now that we had the front of the house shot, typically we would do the back from the same 20-foot and 100-foot elevations, but because there's a lot of trees in the backyard, we're not going to go down to 20 feet. Instead, we'll go down to 100 feet. And do the same three angles that we would do in the front. Now, because there's power lines here that slope down, I'm going to go higher and over them in order to get this corner. Another good rule of thumb is to always try to get the skyline in the shot. And I say that to say you don't want to go down like this where you can't see what's past the top of the frame. But you also don't want to go that high where you have too much sky. So I always like to go down just enough where I can see some of the skyline. So that's the process for doing aerial photos of a house. We use bracketed photos the same as we would ground photos, so we're doing 5 shots in this case. 100 ISO, auto white balance. And I'm using a Mavic 2 zoom. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.